जुबां है फीकी शाम से, हुई ना तो से बात भी, बिना मैं तेरे बेमजा हुआ हूँ देखो आज भी। करूँ मैं ये गुजारिशें, मोहब्बतों का मोल दे, नींदों में मेरी ख्वाब का जरा सा मीठा घोल दे। तू बन जा तू मेरी, तू बन जा तू मेरी, तू बन जा तू मेरी इश्के दी चाशनी, ओ मिठी मिठी चाशनी। मैं न मांगूंगा धूप धीमी धीमी, मैं न मांगू चांदनी, मेरे जीने में तुझसे हो इश्के दी चाशनी, ओ मिठी मिठी चाशनी।
साउंड वे आज हिलता ग्राउंड वे, ढोल ढोल बजा दे असी लाने राउंड वे। भंगड़े दा साउंड वे आज हिलता ग्राउंड वे, ढोल ढोल बजा दे असी लाने राउंड वे। कट जेब विच फोन कट कैमरा तू मोड़, फोटो खिंचदा रवि रात सारी। खुशियां दा वे सीने विच दिल नचदा, टिप टॉप लगदे सारे हर कोई है जचदा। ओ शुभ दिन मित्रा दे कर आए, असी भंगड़े ते गाउण सानू रोके इत्थे कौन, ए नोटिस कर दो जारी।
हर ख्वाहिश पूरी की है, बिना मांगे बिना पूछे मेरी सारी ज़रूरत पूरी करी है। सारे टैंट्रम्स पापा ने लिए हैं, उससे ज़्यादा मम्मा ने लिए हैं, बट
हर चीज में पापा है, जो कि घर का एक काम में नहीं जाते।
हाँ,
जो
जब when it
कुछ
comes
काम
to
में
me, my dad is always been there for me.
अच्छा, ये इतना सा क्यों लाए, इतना क्यों नहीं लाए? छोटी छोटी चीजें क्यों लेके आते हो? बड़ा बड़ा लिया करो, इतना ही गोल्ड लाए, इतना ही ये
पूजा
लाए।
का है,
पूजू
नहीं
का
नहीं,
है।
इसमें बेस्ट होना
अच्छा,
चाहिए।
पूजू को ऐसी एंट्री चाहिए? हाँ 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 बोल रही।
And not only in the wedding, he has given me throughout my life. When I was kids, every time he's only given, never asked, never asked.
ਬੰਧਨ ਕੇ ਮੁਟਿਆਰਾਂ ਆਈਆਂ ਬਡੋਲਾ ਬਣ ਕੇ, ਕੰਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਿੱਪਲ ਪੱਤੀਆਂ, ਬਾਹੀ ਚੂੜਾ ਖਨ ਕੇ। ਬੰਧਨ ਕੇ ਮੁਟਿਆਰਾਂ ਆਈਆਂ ਬਡੋਲਾ ਬਣ ਕੇ, ਕੰਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਿੱਪਲ ਪੱਤੀਆਂ, ਬਾਹੀ ਚੂੜਾ ਖਨ ਕੇ। ਮੇਰੇ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਵੇ ਮਾਈ ਮੇਰਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਦਿਲ ਲੱਗਣਾ। ਮੇਰੇ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਵੇ ਮਾਈ ਮੇਰਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਦਿਲ ਲੱਗਣਾ। ਮਾਈ
गुड़ किने खा लिया, गुड़ वाली चाह किने पीती, बुआ जी दा नाड़ा किने खिंचया, ओ खिंच के मारी किने सीटी। ओ छड्डो जी छड्डो, जाके पकड़ो वो हलवाई, ओ जिसने गुड़ की बना दी मिठाई, ओ सबको बात है ये समझाई।
ओ गुड़ नालों इश्क मिठा, ओ गुड़ नालों इश्क मिठा, गुड़ नालों इश्क मिठा। ਰੱਬਾ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਵੇ, ਗੁੜ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਮਿੱਠਾ। ਸੋਹਣੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਲੈ ਗਈ, ਐ ਕੁੜੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਜਾਨ ਲੈ ਗਈ। ਮੁਝਕੋ ਯਾਰ ਕੋਈ तो बचाए, गुड़ नालों इश्क मिठा।
चंद चकोरा शगना दा जोड़ा, बजदियां ने शहनाइयां जी, रंग रंगीली मेहंदी लाके पर पर जान कलाइयां जी। डोली लेके आया ढोला, ओ गुड़ नालो, गुड़ नालो,
ओ गुड़ नालों इश्क मिठा, ऐ गुड़ नालों इश्क मिठा। ਰੱਬਾ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਵੇ, ਗੁੜ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਮਿੱਠਾ। ਸੋਹਣੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਲੈ ਗਈ, ਐ ਕੁੜੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਜਾਨ ਲੈ ਗਈ। ਮੁਝਕੋ ਯਾਰ ਕੋਈ तो बचाए, ਗੁੜ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਮਿੱਠਾ।
Karan and I met 5.5 years ago, and he just asked me out on a cup of coffee, and the first evening that we went out, and I don't know, it just clicked, you know, we were both so comfortable with each other, and we just hit it off like at the same moment. And I don't know, out of somewhere there was this guy who came and he blessed us. His name was some name Karan remembers, Anirvan or something. So he blessed us that you guys are perfect with each other, and you all will make an amazing couple. And I don't know who he was, we've never seen him. He said he wasn't even from Pune, and he just walked off. And ever since then, Karan and I have been together, and touch wood, it has been an amazing 5.5 years. Karan is really supportive about everything. He doesn't hesitate before saying sorry or forgetting and forgiving, especially. He's the sweetest. I don't know I could have done any better. He's really nice, and I'm so happy that I'm marrying him. I'm not only getting a husband, but I even found my best friend in him, because both our habits are same. So just sit at home, chill and watch his favorite show, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
Forever seems like a long time, but nothing seems like a long time when I am with you. I feel like I'm walking on water since the day that I asked your father to let go of his daughter. So give me your blessing, sir. I'll give her all that I've got. It doesn't look like much, but it sure feels like a lot. Let her take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
Pooja and I met around 5.5 years ago. I didn't really know in the beginning that it's going to end up in a marriage or something like this, but yeah, eventually, gradually it went through, grow hote gaya, and then there was a time when we all understood that Pooja is the one. Not only by my friends and my family, everyone actually knew that Pooja is the right one. And jahan bol sakte, Pooja does everything perfect. And the best thing about marrying Pooja is because she knows how to take care of my home, how to take care of my parents. She loves my pogo. She loves Hitesh, who is a big troublesome. No one can ever love him so much, but still she does. So yeah, she's one nice little package of us, and really love her. Love you, Pooju.
But it sure feels like a lie. So take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart, take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
Take my heart and take my hand. I'll be your lover and I'll be your friend. Take my heart and take my hand again and again.
Right where we stand. Too good to be true.
I wanna spend my life with you. I wanna spend my life with you.
Congratulate Pooja and Karan for this wedding. And I've known Pooja since last 6-7 years now, and I think she's completely flawless. Everything has been going good in all these years, and we wish both of you to stay together for more like 100 years of your life. I congratulate, and I'm very happy for both of you getting married. Thank you so much.
We don't wanna believe it, that it's all gone. Just a matter of minutes before the sun goes down. We're afraid to admit it, but I know you know that we should've known better, but kept on trying. And it's time that we see it, the fire's dying out. Can't believe that I see this, we're out of chances now. And I just want you to know that you and me, it was good, but it wasn't right. And in
Hi Pooja, I love you so much. You're the best sister that anyone can have. And there are so many memories that come to my mind when I say, I mean, if I have to bless you, if I have to wish you, or there are so many instances that are there. You've always been there for me. You always loved me so much, me and Purva. You take care of her as we have taken care of her.
We'll be coming very soon for your like bit night bunches and everything. And looking forward to all the couples just together. And wishing you a life full of love, happiness and abundance. And everything that you always hope for.
Love you
All
both.
the love
Love
for
you. Thank you.
Thought we could make it if I just held on. But it's really crazy how love could fade so fast. We said forever, but now we're in the past. And I just want you to know that you and me, it was good, but it wasn't right. And it'll be hard, but I know I will make it out. Step by step, I move on and get on with life. So I let go and I hope you'll be happy now.
All the best to my Karan and Pooja for their future life.
All the best, Pooja and Karan. Love you.
Love you बच्चा करण पूजा love you बच्चा love you God bless both of you all of you.